Welcome to my channel Road Beast Car. If you love discovering new cars, vans, and the latest automotive technology, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned because today we're talking about a compact vehicle that is surprisingly practical and efficient. The 2026 version of the Suzuki Wagon from Suzuki Motor Corporation. The Suzuki Wagon has always been known as a small but extremely useful minivan, especially popular in Asian markets and urban environments where space, fuel economy, and practicality matter the most. The 2026 model continues this legacy while adding several modern upgrades that make it more comfortable, more efficient, and more stylish than ever before. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Suzuki Wagon keeps its iconic boxy design. This shape isn't just about looks, it's all about maximizing interior space. The tall roofline and upright body give the van a surprisingly roomy cabin, which is perfect for families, small businesses, or anyone who needs a compact vehicle with excellent cargo capacity. The front design now looks a bit more modern with a refreshed grille, sleeker headlights, and updated LED lighting that gives the van a more premium appearance. Despite its small footprint, the Wagon is designed to be highly functional. The sliding rear doors make it incredibly easy to enter and exit the vehicle, especially in tight parking spaces. This is one of the reasons why vans like this are so popular in busy cities. The compact dimensions also make parking and maneuvering extremely easy. Now let's talk about the interior. Inside the 2026 Suzuki Wagon, you'll notice that Suzuki has focused heavily on comfort and practicality. The dashboard design is simple and user-friendly, with a modern infotainment system placed at the center. Depending on the trim level, drivers can get a touchscreen display with smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and Bluetooth features. The seating layout is another strong point of this vehicle. The seats are designed to be flexible, meaning they can fold and adjust in different ways to create more cargo space when needed. Whether you're carrying passengers, luggage, or equipment, the interior can easily adapt to your needs. For such a compact van, the headroom and legroom are surprisingly generous. Under the hood, the 2026 model continues to follow Japan's car regulations, meaning it uses a small but efficient engine. Typically, this comes with a 660cc engine that focuses on fuel economy and reliability rather than high performance. However, thanks to its lightweight design, the vehicle still feels responsive in city driving. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest advantages of the Suzuki Wagon. With rising fuel costs around the world, having a vehicle that can travel long distances using very little fuel is a major benefit. This makes the Wagon an excellent choice for delivery services, small businesses, and daily commuting. Suzuki has also improved safety features in the 2026 model. Drivers can expect technologies such as collision avoidance systems, lane departure warnings, parking sensors, and improved braking assistance. These features help make the vehicle safer for both city driving and highway trips. Another impressive aspect of the Wagon is its versatility. It can serve as a family car, a cargo van, or even a mini camper for travel enthusiasts. Many owners customize these vans for camping or mobile businesses because the interior space is so adaptable. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Wagon proves that a vehicle doesn't have to be large or expensive to be practical and useful. With its compact size, excellent fuel economy, flexible interior, and modern features, it continues to be one of the most reliable minivans in its category. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the 2026 Suzuki Wagon, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more car and bike reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.